we're doing a video unboxing of the Tarot of the Holy Light by Christine Payne-Towler, and the artwork is by Michael Dowers. This is not a Golden Dawn deck, my friends. Let's have a look in the companion book. It's a thick one. It's a Continental Esoteric Tarot. And on the back of the book, it says, the correspondences demonstrated in the Tarot of the Holy Light apply to any historical tarot that conforms to the Marseille order enumeration. So without further ado, let's have a look at the cards, shall we? So this came shrink wrapped, but I have done you all a favor and took that off before I opened the box on camera, but I haven't actually looked at the cards yet, so I'm super excited. So I ordered this deck 5 weeks ago. Can you imagine waiting 5 weeks? Well, I'll tell you what, by looking at the first card, I think it was worth the wait, because isn't this just stunning? So we're starting with a suit of swords, going through the court cards here. So we've got, let's go back and have a look, because we've got the correspondences here. So the kings are fixed in this system, the queens are cardinal, and the knights are mutable. So the system I use have the kings as mutable and the knights as fixed, and queens as cardinal. But that's okay, I can work with this. Oh, so the page of swords, it says fall here. And we've got the minor arcana. There's quite a lot of symbolism in the cards to work with, so it's not a Marseille style pip kind of deck we've got here for the minors. And then you've got the decanate for each of the minor arcana cards here, so that's nice. The cardstock, it looks like linen. It's absolutely stunning. So beautiful, these cards, so well done. Yeah, so kings again, we're in the suit of wands here, so we've got the king of wands, Leo, fixed, cardinal, Aries for the queen, and then we've got mutable for the knight, and spring for the page. So each of the pages symbolize one of the seasons, or correspond to one of the seasons. I absolutely can't wait to get into the companion book. And I got the second book as well. There's actually 2 books. And the second one is called Foundations of the Esoteric Tradition. So one of the reasons I got this deck is actually because of my interest in the Shamahameforash angels. Oh wow, look at that beautiful 10 of discs. And obviously winter for the page of discs there. Wow, the tree of life is just stunning there. Yeah, so the Shamahameforash angels, the correspondences for them are listed in the companion book. And I'm not actually sure, I can't remember which system Christine uses for them, but there are several. And I'm just looking forward to learning more about how she works with them and what I can learn from that, really. So I'm not personally a huge fan of the Golden Dawn system of starting with the first angel, the first Shem angel in Leo, but I think that's the Golden Dawn way of doing it. So if this is a continental deck, it shouldn't be doing that, really. Ambelin, he starts in Aries, I know, so... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that full card. So we're in the mages now. The Magus. The Priestess. The Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. Lovers. Chariot. Justice. Oh, interesting. Cancer for justice. So you see the little astrological glyph there. The Hermit's Leo. Oh my goodness, this is weirding me out. No, he's Virgo. No, he's Leo. Oh, that's going to be interesting. No, it's good. It's good to expand your horizons and not get stuck in a system, because that's death. That's stagnancy, and stagnancy is death. So, so here we have the water glyph here for the element of water for death. So that's really interesting. Temperance, Scorpio. Sagittarius for the devil. Oh wow, this is messing with my head, guys. Big time. I love it. Aquarius for the moon. Wow, wow, wow. Pisces for the sun. Stop. Oh, this is great. Oh, I can't wait to dive in. So yeah, so that's, and these are the card backs, and they're beautiful as well. Absolutely stunning. And let me show you, I got the second book here as well, so I'll just show you that. Sorry about the camera, it's moving around here. So that's it. So I've got both books, and the first one's really thick, so it's going to take a while for me to get through all this. But yeah, can't wait. I hope you enjoyed seeing the cards and learning a little bit about the Tarot of the Holy Light. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.